Today we will discuss about a characteristic of the prophets. One of the characteristics of the prophets. One of the characteristics of the messengers. One of the characteristics of the believers, which is trustworthiness. Trust. We need to talk about this because a lot of people neglect it. When somebody trusts you, don't betray that trust. When Allah handles you a trust, fulfill that trust. The opposite of it is betrayal. To betray the trust. Allah and His Messenger forbid it. He warned the Muslim, don't do it. Trusts apply to everything in life. In the life of the Muslim, everything are trusted on everything. Know that your faith is a trust. You have signed a contract that you will not deceive Allah. You will not worship another God beside Allah. This is a contract, this is a trust. Know that your wealth is a trust. That Allah deprive it from a lot of people and give it to you. See how you will react on it. Your intellect, your knowledge, your guardianship, your authority, your testimony, your ruling, your secret, and the secret that people give you to hold on. All those are trusts, and you need to fulfill those trusts. Trusts, it is the quality of the prophets. Prophet Nuh, Prophet Hud, Prophet Salih, Prophet Lut and Shu'aib, every one of them said to his people, Inni lakum rasulun ameen. Indeed, I am a trustworthy messenger. You need to trust me and follow me, obey Allah. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was truthful. He is a trustworthy. Even the enemy of the prophets. Imagine your dark enemy taking his stuff and trusting that to you. His wealth is because you are really trustworthy. The enemy of the prophets, the enemy of Islam, they take their wealth, they say, let's give it to the prophet, he's going to hold it for us. Because whenever we are ready to go take it, we will take it back. This is the characteristic of the prophets. Allah also described Jibreel. He said he is the one who brought it. He is the trustworthy spirit. Jibreel. Many people think that trustworthy is when it comes to financial material or deposits. I'm going to leave you with my business, take care of it. It's not only this one is about trust, it's one of it. And know that it is an obligation to fulfill that trust. Whenever somebody trusts you, or Allah trusts you on something, make sure you fulfill that trust. Avoid to betray the trust. The trust, commanding right is a trust. Allah command you to command what is right. This is a trust that Allah has put on you. To forbid what is wrong is a trust. The governance is a trust. Defending your Muslims, it is a trust. Defending people's rights, it is a trust. The knowledge that Allah gave you is a trust. Protecting your faith is a trust. Protecting the society asset is also a trust.
Welcome to AkhirahTv.
My TV,
Your TV,
everyone's TV.
AkhirahTv.
AkhirahTv.